Today we're gonna replace the refrigerator door panel to the mirror door panel. Okay, first we need to remove the door, and there are some screws right here. They are Phillips screw, but since it is so tight right here, we have to buy this special gadget. I don't know what it is. What is it called, honey?
It's called a slim offset screwdriver bit set, something to that effect.
Okay, so let's pick a size that will fit with the screw. Let's unscrew this. Wait, why is it not going in?
Should I help you?
I can do it, I can do it. No, I cannot. Hang on. Yes. Okay, once all the screws are loosened up a little bit, you can feel that it moves. I'm just going to use a regular screwdriver to make it faster. Okay, by pulling the door out a little bit, there's more room. And forward, there's more room to get in there. Let's put that, and it just slides down. In order to take the panel out, we have to put the door upside down. So first, I have to take this screw out, and it has a little washer in here also. Whoops. See, I almost lost it. So let's put everything here and put it upside down now. And over here, there's supposed to be 3 screws here, but we don't see them. So and then now we just have to pry this piece right here out.
So it took us a long time to figure this out here.
So basically this part, just you have to push it out this way, but lift up
like that
and pull out, and then
lift up on here and then pull straight out.
With my nails.
And you just pull straight out. You see, like that. Be very careful. Lift up like that and just pull straight out. So you see here, there's really no clip or anything at all whatsoever. This is upside down. I'm just gonna turn it back this way. All it is there's a ridge right here that fits into that there. And so all you have to do when you put it back is slide it into the holes here and push down. So to open up, do one side at a time. You basically lift this up like that, and it will look like you broke it, but you didn't. And pull it out. Now, of course, it's gonna pull out one at a time, and then you do the same thing here. Lift up, pull out, and then lift up, pull out again.
This is how we slide out the panel. So if you just want to replace the panel, if it's scratched, we did have a scratch right here. I don't know what happened.
I didn't do anything.
I didn't do anything either. So it's a good excuse to upgrade it to a mirror. But in order to slide the mirror into this space right here, we have to remove this ledge. See, it's in the way, so the mirror doesn't fit into this space right here. So we're gonna use the Dremel just to remove, you know, all that. I get to use the Dremel again. Let's see. Okay, I need to cut more. Gonna smooth the edges out with same one but slow speed.
Okay, moment of truth here. Give it some.
Slowly slide it in. We have to take the little side panel out to make it slide in a little easier. Almost, honey.
It's stuck, but the way to do it is this. Just gently, carefully, but just push it straight down. I'm wearing Crocs, sorry. See, just pushing it straight down like this. Before I was wiggling, and it didn't work very well. We are done. Flushed.
Wow. Okay, let's see. So we did have to remove all that ledges, flush to here, but to slide in. It's a pretty tight fit. Now let's see if this piece goes in.
There. So it has to go down below the
That edge.
edge there. Let's put it back in. It doesn't snap in, but it's in because, you know, that should be it. But now let's find some screws for this.
Okay, since the door didn't come with screws, supposed to.
Good quality control.
I know. We found some screw that fits.
It's basically
It's about
number
this size.
5
Number 5?
by 1/2 inch.
Okay.
That should work.
Okay, we get the mirror in, so let's install the door back. First, we have to put the washer back here. Put this screw back in here. Yeah.
Yeah,
Whatever that is. Whoops. Let's put it back.
Okay.
Okay. I think now we just have to. There's a hole here. We have to slide this thing in first. There.
Yes. And then let's put the bracket down here. Back down.
Let's screw all this back in, and then we'll be all set. Okay, let's use this tool to tighten it more. All right, it's in. Let's see if it's gonna close.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. Open, close, and oh, see, I could use it as a mirror to get ready. I got my makeup here. Thank you, honey.
Welcome.
It does make the inside looks bigger.